We all are in search of superfoods to incorporate into our diet, aren't we? But, you don't have to roam the wilderness to find the superfood. Yes. Chia seeds benefit the overall health of the body as they are rich in all the essential nutrients, calcium, antioxidants, protein, fiber, and the richness of omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are considered one of the few superfoods that should be included in our diets, scientifically called Salvia hispanica. 1. Heart disease. Chia seeds help reduce the risk of heart disease as they have high amounts of omega-3s, protein, and fiber. In addition, according to a few studies, chia seeds lessen some of the substantial risk factors for heart disease, such as blood pressure in people with hypertension. Chia seeds also help increase good HDL cholesterol and also help reduce certain risk factors like triglycerides and inflammation that can lead to cardiac issues. 2. Helps fight cancer. Another significant health benefit of chia seeds is that they might help fight cancer in your body when taken regularly, according to a report published by UCSF Medical Center. In addition, they might help prevent breast cancer because chia seeds are a good source of alpha-linolenic acid and reasonable amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Strengthens hair. Chia seeds help fortify and strengthen hair fibers as they contain compounds called protein, L-lysine, and phosphorus. These two elements, along with several vitamins and minerals present in chia seeds, work well to prevent hair loss. Therefore, you can reduce the breakage and shed to a great extent with the consumption of chia seeds. 4. Anti-aging. One of the prominent chia seeds' benefits for the skin is that it protects your skin from the radical damage caused by UV exposure as it has high amounts of antioxidants. The high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids strengthen the barrier on the skin, which protects your surface from external aggressors, thereby keeping at bay signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. There are no rules for consuming chia seeds as you can eat them throughout the day, whether with a full meal or chia water on an empty stomach. Unless you are allergic, you can consume chia seeds anytime. Chia seeds need a minimum of 30 minutes to reach a chewy consistency irrespective of your preparation. Pray up chia seeds overnight if you are planning to drink chia water.